Hello there, Pixel Pushers. Sadiq Hussain here with another Affinity Photo tools, tasks and tips video. So we're down to the Inpainting tool. Now you've seen me using the Inpainting tool actually in action on a particular project. But this is a really cool tool that you can use in many different ways. In fact, I've just found a new way of using it now while I was thinking about doing this quick demonstration, just a couple of minutes. And this is a scan of a ticket stub to a film that I saw, Clint Eastwood film Tightrope, back in 1984, a long time ago. Okay, and I like the fact that it's a scan of a ticket stub. You can see the individual fibers of the paper still, and then of course the little bit round bit of where the ticket is torn off comes out of the machine. And you might want to crop around that and remove those pixels. But in fact, another thing you could do, in fact, is paint in like-minded pixels from the ticket stub itself. So if I go to the Inpainting, change the size of the brush so that it's appropriate, and then just paint in the corner of what I want the software to fill in, you can see it does a damn good job. So it's really sampling the pixels of, now there it's not painted that well, so I'd have to go over that again. Okay, that's fine, and I'm happy with that. So the size of your brush really is critical when you don't want it to sample something that you don't want to have filled in. So here, this edge, I can just do that literally, and it's so good at filling that in. And a little bit at the top there, just that little blue bar. And if you want to have that little clean edge rather than worrying about cropping, that might be something you might want to do. And then just change the size of the brush a little bit, make it a bit bigger, and that should fill that in quite nicely. Now if it obviously has repeated that, then just go over and do a small piece at a time, and it'll sort that out. Okay, and if it doesn't, you just reduce it and do like a smaller area, and it'll do it. There we go, done. And that's it. That's as simple as that. And you can apply that very easily in painting. You're basically filling in pixels with like-minded pixels around it to either hide defects, but also to tidy something up and to reduce the amount of work you might need to do in a different way of editing, like cropping, which I might need to have done on this particular image. Okay, so don't forget about this the Inpainting tool has lots of different applications, and this is just one of them. Thank you for watching. Do have a go. Any comments or suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Of course, like the video if you think it's been useful, and give us a comment if you find that it hasn't been useful and you want me to cover something different or present it in a different way, faster, slower, explain it differently, whatever it is. Let me know, and I'll certainly build that into some of the future videos. Thank you. See you at the next one.